Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Abdul Aziz. My topic today is the illusion of truth. Have you ever heard something many times and started to believe it, even if it wasn't true? This is called the illusion of truth. It happens when we hear information repeatedly and begin to think it is true, even if it is not. Our brain are every good at remembering things we heard often. When we hear the same story or fact many times, we start to trust it more. This is because our brain likes a repetition of truth. We think, if I heard it so much, it must be true. This is why advertisements work so well. Companies repeat their messengers to use over and over again. For example, when you see an advertisement for a new drink or food on TV, you might think it is the best, even though you have never tried it. The more you hear about it, the more likely you are to believe it. This is the illusion of truth. But doesn't this happen? Well, our brains are always looking for patterns. If something is repeated many times, the brain thinks it is a partner. We like partners because they make the world easier to understand. If we hear the same thing many times, our brain begins to think it is true even if it isn't. For example, imagine someone tell you the eating chocolate every day is healthy. At first, you may not believe it, but if you heard this from many people or you see it on TV every day, you may start to believe it. This is because the idea has been repeated so much that your brain starts to through it. The illusion of truth can also happen with fake news. Sometimes people share stories that are not true, but if enough people share them, others start to believe them. Even if the story is false, it, it can sound true because it has been repeated many times. To avoid being tricked by the illusion of truth, we must be careful. It is important to ask questions and check the facts before believing something. Just because we hear something many times doesn't mean it is true. For example, think about songs on the radio. The first time you hear a song, you may not like it, but after hearing it many times, you might start to enjoy it. This is not because the song changes, but because you become used to it. The song happen you information. The more you hear it, the more you believe it. Other example is in conversation. Imagine your friend says Tom is every rude. At first, you may not believe it, but if many people repeat the same thing, you might start to think it is true. Even if you haven't never seen Tom arch rudely, the repetition makes the statement feel real. The illusion of truth can be stronger. Advertisement use it to make use by their product. Political use it to make you support their ideas. Even in school or at work, people might use it to spread rumor. If we are not careful, we can believe things that are not true. One study shows that people are more likely to believe a false statement if it's easy to read. For example, if the word if the words are read in clean and simple letters, people think the assessment is true. Think so how small detail can trick our brain. But there is good now. We can protect ourselves for the illusion of truth. Here are some tips. 1. Ask question. When you hear something, ask yourself, if is, is this true? Where is the proof? 2. Check check the facts. This book, the internet, or ask experts to find reliable information. 3. Be patient. Do not believe something right away. Take time to think about it. Remember, just because something is reported does not mean it is true. The world is full of information, and it is our job to think careful. In the end, the illusion of truth, remember the use of the power of repetition. The teacher used to be careful and not to trust everything we hear, even if it sounds familiar. Repetition can make lies feel like facts, but we have the ability to think critical and search for the truth. So don't let your brain take the easy way out. Challenge what you heard, ask questions, see evidence, and learn to say, I don't know yet. By doing this, you will not only protect yourself but also help others see the importance of truth in the world full of noise. Truth is not Truth is not about how often you hear something. It is about feeding the faith. Stay curious, stay aware, and remember you have the power to decide what to believe. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.